So this is an introductory video into model rockets. If you're interested in model rockets, then this will just be the first video in a series that'll explain all different types of rockets. So what I have with me here is a kit that it comes with a couple of different rockets, as well as a base. This is to launch your rocket. It also comes with this one. This is in Amazon. It's just a big rocket that's pretty easy to assemble, as well as this one. This is a Crossfire. Requires considerably more assembly, which we'll build this one in a later episode. Let's just move that off to the side. Half the fun of getting a kit like this with the launcher is that you actually get to launch the rockets, and it's pretty fun and exciting. Now, obviously, I think it's important to mention that we're not sponsored by this. This is an Estes branded kit. We're not sponsored or endorsed by any rocket brand whatsoever. This is just a brand that we've used for a while, and we've had a lot of success and, more importantly, a lot of fun with it. Now, a lot of kits come with different difficulties. There's Ready to Fly, in which as soon as you take it out, it's ready to fly. You just put it on your base and launch it. There's Almost Ready to Fly, which requires maybe some gluing here and there. Easy to Assemble, which has basically all the bits. It's just slightly harder to assemble. And then finally, there's different skill levels. This is where you're might start dipping your toes into rocket building. And obviously, if you're totally new to this, like we once were, you don't want to start with a skill level 5. You might want to start with easy to assemble or skill level 1. It's a great way to introduce yourself to rocket building. Now, most importantly of all, pay attention to the age rating of your rockets. So this particular kit says it's recommended for people who are 10 years and older, but it also says adult supervision for kids 12 and under. That is definitely the most important thing. When building and launching model rockets, it's always important to have adult supervision. So this is just one kit. It comes with 2 rockets, the Amazon and the Crossfire. We're actually going to take a look at another kit. This one is called the Phantom Blue. The manufacturer says that it'll be ready to launch in just about 1 hour. So we're just going to build it and time it and see if that really holds up. So now the rocket is done. It only took about 23 minutes, which is pretty great. You could just build it in one sitting. Now, we're not going to launch it right away because we obviously need to give time for the glue to settle. But in order to launch it, we'll have to figure out which engines we have to use, which is going to be the subject of our next episode. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to model rockets, and we hope to catch you next episode.